Not sure what he's eating. It looks like the plantain, or is it the... No, I think he's eating the calendula. Yeah. He's munching on the calendula. So if you want to grow calendula and have the seeds, calendulas are edible flowers, and he seems to be enjoying eating them. But that kind of explains why most of them haven't done all that well in this particular area, because I had calendulas everywhere. Okay. Yeah. He's going for the seed pods, actually. Which just tells me that if I want calendula seeds, when I let them out into the other area of the garden in the fall, I need to get my seed saving handled before the chickens get to it.